Standard 4th. Subject English. Chapter Change. Hi children. Today we will go through the changes that takes place in the life of a caterpillar. A caterpillar is the young one of a butterfly. This poem will tell us how caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Let's read the poem. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar in the garden creeps. He spins himself a blanket and soon falls fast asleep. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar wakes up by and by to find he was wings of beauty changed to a butterfly. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar in the garden creeps. He spins himself a blanket and soon falls fast asleep. Fuzzy wuzzy caterpillar wakes up by and by to find he has wings of beauty changed to a butterfly. Very good. In this poem, the poet says a caterpillar spins a blanket for himself and goes to sleep. When he wakes up, he finds a change in him. He is transformed into butterfly. Now it's time for some activities. We will be doing an activity in which you have to change one letter from the given word and make a new word. Example, by, my. Let's start. In, it, is. Up, us. He, me. Off, on. The, tie. Has, hat. Find, kind. Mind, wind. By, bee. Fly, fry. Soon, moon. To, know. Well done, children. Now let's do one more activity. Here you have to make smaller words from the given bigger words. Caterpillar. Cat. Pill. Doll. Tap. Cap. Car. Pillar. Cater. Lap. Ill. Bat. Liar. Spins. Pin. In. Is. Sin. Nip. Sip. Himself. Him. Self. Me. Semi. His. Asleep. As. Sleep. Peel. See. Slap. Pals. Butterfly. Butter. Fly. Utter. But. Blanket. An. Ban. Tank. Ant. Net. Ankle. 10. Blank. Bat. Tab. Beauty. Bee. Tea. Bet. But. At. Beat. Buy. Buy. Bat. Tab. Tub. Very good, children. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye.